to our website ETL testing tutorial. So today I'm going to give an overview of our course, like what all things we'll cover in our pre-recorded videos and the whole session of ETL testing course. Okay, so if I start, we'll start with the best practices and standards of ETL process like ETL in database testing, ETL in data warehouse testing. We'll also deploy SQL for implementing data checks, and we'll also understand ETL in BI by understanding the difference between OLTP and OLAP system. So if I move on to my ETL course, not only about all of these details, we'll also come up with some of the databases like SQL Server, PostgreSQL, Oracle database. And I'll cover two of the ETL tools like Informatica and Pantaho, both of them. Then we'll also cover the BI reporting tool as Tableau. Okay, so not only all of these things, will also come up with some of the live projects like how to create a data warehouse involving all of the topics like top-down approach, bottom-up approach. I'll also cover the types of schemas like Snowflake schema, star schema, covering within this data warehouse. We'll also cover a project that covers the types of facts and dimensions. So if I provide you an overview of my course, so before moving into the course, let us search for ETL testing jobs first. If I search for ETL testing jobs, I'll go to this naukri.com and see there are 1837 jobs available for ETL testing. So what if I ask for any other field, like if I search for Informatica, for a single tool like Informatica Power Center, and I'll search for it and see for Informatica I'm getting 2625 jobs. And what if I search for any other tool which we are covering within our video sessions like Pantaho, another ETL tool, Pantaho data integration. Yeah, if I search for this and see there are 1946 Pantaho data integration jobs. What if I search for any other tool like Tableau, a reporting tool, and see there are 2610 Tableau jobs that are available. So with this study we come to know that not only the whole course but a single tool that is covered within our course will be very helpful and beneficial for you to get a better job. So if I move on to the overview and into the details of my course, see, I'll cover all of those topics within different modules. Like the first module will cover the introduction to ETL with ETL tools. We'll also cover the concepts of BI, the difference of BI and BA. I'll also cover the databases and the how to create a data warehouse, what is the difference and what are the similarities between both of them. We'll come up with SQL database and we'll cover all of its commands like using clauses, constraints. We'll come up with some complex commands as well as basic ones. Then I'll come up with the next database like Oracle. Then I'll come up with the ETL tool Informatica. After completing ETL tool Informatica, I'll tell you how to create reports within Tableau, how to merge the data, how to create dashboard, and how to deal with the stories of Tableau. Then we'll come up with some live projects that will be covered within Pantaho. I'll explain you about this tool. I'll introduce this tool to you, and then I'll collaborate with PostgreSQL and Pantaho to create live projects. Okay, then the last one will cover SSIS. Fine. So these all things. If I move on to more depth of my topics, like within ETL, what all things will cover. First of all, why do we need ETL? The advantages and the role of an ETL tester, that we will be covering within module 1. The second module will cover on BI, like business intelligence, the different reporting tools. Okay, within third, fourth, and fifth module, we will be covering the different commands of SQL, the concatenation. We'll also come up with some joins and some operators like set operators that will be covering union, intersection, and all. I'll also tell you how to deal with procedures, triggers, and how to create views. Then we'll move on to Informatica. Within Informatica, I'll not only use flat files, but I'll also use some database files to deal with the data warehouse projects. Okay, and after that, we'll move on to some of the filter action and some of the transformations that will be covered within Informatica. Okay, and lastly, I'll cover the topics, some of the topics of SSIS. Fine. So this was all about my course. Hope you have got all the things, and thank you for joining.